How to change keyboard wallpaper on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gboard application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Set up Gboard. Then, tap on Get Started. You will then be taken to the Gboard settings page. Here, go to Keyboards. Turn on the Gboard option at the top. Turn on the Allow Full Access feature as well. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. In the Messages page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, go to the text bar below and tap on it to open the keyboard. Then, tap on the icon at the bottom left corner. Select Gboard from here. You are now using the Gboard keyboard. Tap on the Settings key below. Then, tap on Settings. From here, go to Themes. You can view all the keyboard themes over here. Select any theme from here. And then, go back and open the Messages app again. Go to New Message and open the keyboard. As you can see, you have successfully changed the keyboard wallpaper. Following these steps, you can easily change keyboard wallpaper on iPhone.